I must say the S4 is looking nice, and this is because of the work that we've done so far. And today's video is about showing you what we've done in terms of external modifications and also what we've done internally. Well, when I mean internal, I mean in the interior, not the engine, not everything else, but the interior as well as exterior. But before we do that, let's go back 7 years and a couple of months ago when I took delivery of this car, just to show you how it's been looking since then. Now that we've done that, so I'm going to show you what we've done outside and then I'll show you what's inside. Let's start with the wheels. These are not S4 wheels. These are A5 S-Line B9 wheels and the specs are 8.5J ET29. They're very wide and they actually flush with the fender on this car because it's a B8, which is awesome. And then the brake calipers, I painted those blue with that little black S4 badge showing there, which is nice. It's a different look compared to other colors out there. We also painted these badges black because they were chrome from factory. And these are OEM mirrors, but they're carbon dipped, so now they look nice with this carbon finish, which is awesome. This is one of my favorite mods, the headlight. So the work that was done here, everything is blacked out. All these little things that were chrome over here, they're all blacked out. And then this ring was also changed from chrome. Now it looks blue, which is awesome. And it looks really, really nice. It's got that subtle look to it with those blue rings. It really stands out. Love that. The general front of the car, I've got the RS4 grille over there for the B8, which is awesome. And I also installed all the fork grills down on each side, which looks awesome. And you'll notice in there, I've got LED bulbs for the fog lights, which is nice. This is painted black, but it's chipping off now, so I'm gonna have to wrap it black so that it matches the grille. And I must say the general look of the side profile looks really, really nice, given the fact that the car is now modified from how it was looking when I got it. Oh, I almost forgot. I also installed lowering springs on each side for this car. There are 20 and 30 lowering springs, which is 30 in front, 20 in the back. Overall, it looks really nice. Now the ground is not even, that's why the back looks a little bit high. But let me show you the other side. Ideally, this is how it sits on lowering springs, which is nice. It's a low profile, which looks awesome. All the badges that were painted included this one, as well as the S4. The other nice mod on this car are the taillights. So these taillights are actually smoked or tinted, and I used the normal lens tint to tint them. They look really nice. They used to be red, but now the contrast between the taillights as well as the body of the car looks nice. At the bottom here, you'll notice this is recent. I fitted exhaust tips. These are 90mm exhaust tips, 2 on each side. They really make the car look really, really nice, especially at the back. It really stands out. Now it shows that it's a performance car, which is awesome. I think that's about it with the external modifications really, and the car looks awesome. I love how it came out from how it was stock compared to what it is now. It's a massive, massive difference. I love this. Then let me show you what I've done in the engine bay. There it is, the beating heart of the S4. Right, let me take you through what has been done so far. Oh, okay, this was replaced because it broke. The first mod that was done in here was to paint these things red with a bit of gloss black, this and that cover. And On the sides, the valve cover gaskets were gray, so I changed the color to blue while when I was replacing the gaskets on these because they were leaking. So it was a modification and a repair at the same time, so which looks nice. And the cold air intake, this was done I think last year November, and it looks awesome. Sounds nice. It's a 100 millimeter exit into 76, which looks really nice, and it sounds awesome. Love how it is, and I love how that red goes with that red and that red, and the coil packs. Looks really nice. Everything else is still stock in here. Nothing has been done. That's pretty much it. Oh yes, on the headlights, I've also installed demon lights, or demon bulbs, or demon LED bulbs, however you want to call it. So these, they actually change color at night or in the evening, and they look really nice when it's dark. And I also upgraded my normal headlight bulbs to LED, which is nice. And at the back here, reverse bulbs have also been upgraded to LED, and my number plate lights, they also upgraded to LED. I cannot forget that. And also the interior lights as well, they upgraded to LED. So there's a ton of LED lights on this car, which is really nice. Now let me show you what I've done so far inside. So there's a couple of modifications inside the car. Okay, so here are those LED lights I was referring to. They look really nice. I've done this carbon fiber wrap on the door panels trims, and it looks really nice. It came out really well. And also on this one here, I did the same thing, and I also did the same thing as well on my center console here. It was a lot of work, but I did all of that in here, which is nice. And the other modification that I've done on this car, this normally comes in silver, so I decided to paint it black, so it looks nice and black now, because I didn't like that silver. It really stood out, especially in this area, because this car is black, everything is black. And the recent modification so far is the S4 shifter, which is nice. So this is a front facing or forward facing shifter on this car. It really cleans up this car and makes it modern, same as the B8.5, which I love. And then the most recent upgrade is the steering wheel. I'm really proud of this mod. This steering wheel is a combination of carbon fiber and leather, as well as the nice leather here. It really looks nice. I love how it came out. It's awesome. Really like it. It's beautiful. It really cleans up the interior quite nicely, and it blends in very well with this car. Especially this carbon fiber blends in nicely with that carbon fiber over there, and all the door trims and everything else. So it's not sitting out of place, and those are not out of place as well. So it really matches nicely inside here. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show you today with the S4. And we've done so much work, and there's a couple of things that are still on the way to try and, complete everything on the car. But stay tuned because those are coming soon, and you don't want to miss out. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new one, and I'll catch you next time.